And here it is. Well, hi everybody. I got a surprise today. We got a new toy. Would you like to see it? Yeah. All right. Well, hit the subscribe button. My name is Kevin. I'm a OTR driver for CRETE Carrier, and this is the joy of trucking. I am really happy with my Garmin Dezl OTR800. I've had it for over a year now, and I think it was money well spent. It was a lot of money. That's the 8-inch model, like $700 or something, but it was a really good investment. The company tablet here mounted on the dashboard, you have the co-pilot navigation system, which is okay, you know, but it steered me wrong. Like, it'll have you get off the interstate, drive through a small town, and get back on the same interstate for some reason. It even steered me the wrong way up a one-way street once. I've been in tight spots that it was really hard to get out of. Just find the routing is better with the Garmin. Doesn't steer me wrong. It's got more features. It's got a big display. It has a split screen display, so you can pull up other information like your upcoming turns, like truck stops and way stations and all that sort of thing. It gives me advanced warning of things like steep grades, sharp curves, way stations, state borders and stuff like that. And I can set what I want for my displays at the bottom of the screen. So I like to have the altitude. You know, when I'm going up and down mountains, I like to see how much you climb 1,000-foot incline. You're like, wow, this truck really went up high, and stuff like that. The distance, the time to your arrival, a lot of different things you can program in there too. A lot of really cool features. I've been super happy with it. Now Garmin has come out with something new. You know how you have these forward-facing cameras that the company puts in, or a lot of guys will buy one and put it on the dashboard. It's really cool because you can record and save video of incidents, like if somebody cuts you off or you're in an accident and you got to have proof that it was the other guy's fault and things like that. So Garmin has a dash cam, but now they've integrated a dash cam into their GPS. So now they have the new DEZLCAM OTR710 is the hot new model. And we got a hold of one. We're going to try it out. Some of the differences, it still has like great routing and the upcoming hazards and truck stops and rest stops and even pre-pass notifications, so you can program in your pre-pass for when you're going through scales and stuff like that. It has a new feature that I really like. Whenever I'm trip planning, I'll put in the route, I'll see all the turns, I'll see the highways and everything. But what worries me is when I get to the delivery and there's a warehouse and maybe there's angled loading docks, or maybe there's a guard shack you have to go through. You're not sure what to do when you get there, and if you go in the wrong entrance, you're in a parking lot with a bunch of cars and you can't turn around or get out, you're going to be in trouble. So I always look it up on my phone on Google Maps, the satellite image of the actual place I'm going to, and you can see the roads you come. The last load I delivered, I thought I was going to come in from the east side, and when I looked at the satellite image, I saw it was a very narrow lane that took you to the employee parking. If I'd gone in there, I would have had to back out about a quarter of a mile on a twisty, windy road. I would have been in a lot of trouble. So the new DEZLCAM OTR710 has the satellite image feature where you can look at your destination and see where the docks are and the guard shack and the approaches from the road and everything. That's a really, really good feature that I've had to use a different device for all this time.
So
Gimme.
Hey,
Gimme.
Hey, here.
Look.
Here it is for you.
Look, it came in the mail. We're going to open it up now and see what's inside. I'm probably going to have to charge it and maybe do an update. Every chance you get with the Garmin OTR, you hook up to Wi-Fi and it upgrades your maps and software and stuff. And I don't get a lot of opportunities for that. It might be like once a month or every other month. So it's a good idea to do that with your Garmin.
Packaging.
Pop fun, yeah. There it is. It's in just this cute little box here. Very nice. DEZLCAM OTR710. And here it is. So we're going to tear this box open and look at the contents, and I will read the instructions today and see everything I have to know to make this thing work. There it is. Welcome. This product is ready to use. Register your device at Garmin. Download the app to your smartphone. Pair this navigator for access to features designed to enhance over-the-road lifestyle. Look on the back. That's got to be the camera. Looks like it swivels, so I can aim it. Oh, so I thought I had to have it aligned perfectly forward, but I can actually, because I like the screen on a bit of an angle so it faces me, and then I can still move the camera so it's pointing in the direction I want. Yeah. And I wonder how that's going to mount. I don't think I can use my same mount, because then it would block the camera. So there's got to be some new hardware in here. Oh, this is going to be fun. There's the instruction book. Don't need that. There we go. Oh yeah, see? So it doesn't cover the camera, right?
Yeah.
Got a hole in it already. I don't have to drill a hole. And the standard old suction cup thing there. The plugger inner. Electrical cord. There we go. That's great. So on my old one, the power cord plugged into the mounting bracket and then it charged through the bracket. It looks like this one's going to plug directly into the unit. That's good too. I see an opening for an SD card here too, so you can record onto the card. So some other cool features. This device will actually connect to if you get a Garmin watch, if you get a Garmin headset, even the Garmin backup camera, if you want to stick it on the back of your truck or your trailer, and the display will come up on your navigation, on your GPS. It'll also connect to your ELD device, like there's a logging device that you plug into the truck, so you can use this thing as an ELD as well. Also connected to your cell phone, so if you got the Garmin app, then there's a lot of other features that open up to you for that. The cool thing about the video from the camera is it goes to a vault, internet vault, whatever. It's like being on the cloud. And the video will be stored there for 24 hours. So you can access it with your phone, you can share it, you can send it to other devices. After 24 hours, it just overwrites. But if it's something important, you would have saved it by then, all right? If you want to save it for longer, you can also get a subscription where you pay and you have some storage space on the cloud for it and hold on to that video for even longer. That's pretty cool. All right, we're going to read the instructions. We're going to do some setup. Get it right where I want it, plug it in, charge it up, make sure it's updated and everything, and then we're gonna try it out tomorrow on the road. And then I'll show you a picture of how it looks and everything, and maybe we can get some sample from the camera too to splice in. So we'll do a review on this somewhere in the future, and I'll let you know how it goes. Give us a thumbs up, comments down below, let me know what you think of the new DezlCam OTR710. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you down the road. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Action!